Myntri ka Arts and Culture uba polling do ringkat baru MLA ka South Shillong constituency uba Sanbor Shulai hene ka sini balang kilabu yung mawnongrim bante ya ka Tagore Cultural Complex ha Brookside Rulbong Shillong. Hagani ka jingalang ladon lang u Commissioner and Secretary ka Arts and Culture uba FR Khokongor u Director ka Arts and Culture u DKD Shira kidkhot jong Rulbong Sports and Culture Club bat kiwe. Yang ni ka complex ante haga jinglut jingsep ke bakot khatsau klur san pupralak tingka bat ketenan arts and culture klayo pediang san klur tingka hakawat ke baningkong bat yang ni ka complex on sedang bantei no hadin ka election uba polling do ulah ai kublai uba san bor sulai bat uba AL hek ki bade ki Myntri barem ketenan arts and culture bat yung Myntri rang ba kejela ukon rat ke sangma ki bala shimkhia shadu Delhi ben penyo ya ni ka project.
We also have a very clear vision that this cultural complex, when completed, will not only cater to Tagore's fans here in Shillong, but we would like to make it global, connect with Dhaka, connect with Western world to ensure that
this is a little bit abstract. Few of the story of Rabindranath Tagore Devji. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore set his first foot in Shillong on the 11th October 1919. He stayed here behind us. This is Heritage House. You can go after the program. You can visit inside, take photograph. You will see that the bed and the bedroom of along with the bed and other items are still lying intact.